it look good. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Durissa Explains It All. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make baked chicken using some of my favorite spices. Most of these spices you should already have in your pantry, and if you don't, I really don't know what's wrong with you. Let's get cooking, guys. Here's a list of the seasonings you'll need to make this dish. To begin, I've already sliced my onion and my bell pepper. You can chop it if you like. Uniformity does not matter. Now that I've gotten that out the way, I'm going to go ahead and place my chicken in a clean mixing bowl so I can season it. I have 7 chicken drumsticks that I've already washed and patted dry with a paper towel. I prepare my seasoning mixture, and you want to make sure that this is mixed up completely. This allows for even distribution of all those seasonings over your chicken. We want to taste all that seasoning in every bite. Now you need to add your onions and your bell peppers to your mixing bowl with the chicken and season it to your liking. Once you've gotten your chicken seasoned to your liking, go ahead and mix it up thoroughly. Make sure not an inch of that chicken is left uncovered. Now that we've seasoned our chicken, we're going to go ahead and add some oil. You could add whatever oil you have or even some melted butter and just give that a toss. Now we're going to go ahead and pour our chicken into our baking dish. Don't leave none of those onions or bell peppers behind. That is all flavor, you guys. In your baking dish, you want to go ahead and make sure that your chicken is in one even layer. What I like to do is poke my onions and bell peppers in between the chicken so that it doesn't burn on top. Now we'll be adding that 1 cup of water into our baking dish. Be careful not to hit your chicken. I hit one piece, so I had to fix it because I want to taste all this seasoning. And to amp up the flavor, I'm adding my oh so favorite chicken bouillon flavoring. Just a little razzle dazzle on top. That's all you need for this. Mwah! Voila, you guys, we are ready for the oven. We're going to bake the chicken at 375 degrees for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, we're going to crank that oven up to 400 degrees and bake for an additional 15 minutes so we crisp and brown that chicken. And just like that, our chicken is done, you guys. But first, we want to make sure we go ahead and toss all that chicken up in those juices.
Oh, that look good.
When I tell y'all, this is my favorite part of baked chicken, the juice at the bottom. I'm pairing mine with some rice and black beans. You could pair yours with whatever you like to, some vegetables, whatever. This chicken is going to be so bomb, and I'm so ready to eat. I'm so extra, so you know I had to plate up my dish. First, I'll start by laying down my rice pilaf. This is not your regular white rice, you guys. This is flavorful rice, and I got a video coming for this soon. Next, I'm going to pour my black beans right over my rice with all those juices. We're not leaving out no juice in this dish. This chicken gonna get all this work, y'all. The more juice, the better. And now for the start of the dish, you guys, that turmeric and paprika baked chicken. Arise and shine Rise, baby, shine on. Yes, indeed. This chicken gonna be so good, y'all. And now, you guys, the last and final step of making this dish a complete whole. Y'all gonna add all them juices in that baking dish on top of this chicken. Oh my God. Add all of it. I'm not even joking. Add all of it. It's so good. Yes. And now for the shimmer, add some dry parsley on top. Damn, that shit look good. This dish is perfection, you guys. I'm so ready to eat it. Oh my God. I will be making this again myself, y'all. Look at that. Just admire. It's my plate. I want some. My chicken. Oh my God. That's so good and tender, right? I'm trying to get my words out, but I'm chewing. It's like the seasoning is just on point. It's not salty at all. Like, I wanted strong flavors. That paprika. That paprika and that turmeric. Oh my God. On some damn chicken? Yes, sir. Can you move it? Oh my God, Kari. Kari killed that. Oh my God. That was bomb as fuck. Y'all, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed making this baked chicken as much as I did. Y'all leave me some comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Don't leave me hanging. And I'll see y'all next time. Ooh, we fancy.